So, you're a baseball player and you want to go ahead and catch that baseball. You want to go catch that baseball because you got to catch them all. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at pixelating some Pokemons. I was going to say some Pokemon characters, but it's just Pokemons. Anyway, I figured this will be a little fun thing because there's a lot of Pokemons, and I love doing pixel art, and we haven't done enough pixel art, so I figured we can do a couple of Pokemon. So if you have any ideas for Pokemons you want to see me pixel art, then leave them down below in the comments, and I will do them. So we're gonna start off with, of course, you got to start off with, of course, Pikachu. So we're gonna do Pikachu today. I'm looking at a picture of Pikachu, even though I know what it looks like. I just for reference. So we're in a 16 by 16 canvas in A Sprite. I'm gonna go ahead and block down an initial shape, and I'm gonna use this darker color right here, which is not solid black. Use this bad boy. All right, so I think I want him to be like. The ears is what's gonna mess us up with this, because it's gonna be very strange, because this is a very small canvas, obviously, so we have a lot of limitations. So I'm going to have to stylize this a little bit, but for now, I guess we can just do something like this maybe, and then go down. I think I want to have him kind of sitting a little bit, and then we'll do like this, and then maybe. Yeah, this is gonna be rough, a rough one, because like I said, this canvas is really small. So let's go ahead and actually, I'm just gonna block down a basic shape, and then we'll go ahead and refine it from there. All right, so I think I have a pretty good base going on here. I don't exactly know what I want to do with his feet, though, is the issue. So if I do something like. We can do that. That's cute. I like that. That's nice. That's nice and stylistic with those harder edges like that. I enjoy that. All right. So yeah, I think this is what we're gonna do here. But it's looking kind of like a brick squarish, and I mean that is the kind of the style that I wanted to go with. But it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit too much. So I think we're gonna use some color to kind of maybe make him look less brick-like. But for now, yeah, this looks good. I like the way this looks. So let's go ahead and get some color down real quick. Let me go grab this nice, like, golden yellowish color that Pikachu is. There we go. I'm gonna grab those red cheeks. Of course, I'm looking at the picture still. Those nice red cheeks that Pikachu has. So we're gonna just, gonna put those like on this side like that and like that. There we go. Looks nice. And then we're gonna just do black dots for the eyes, and I want his eyes to be kind of like that maybe. But I want to have space for his mouth, because Pikachu's mouth is always very expressive. So let's raise his eyes up a little bit. Like I said, this is the great thing about pixel art, is that you have limitations. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like a challenge in itself, just to kind of make pixel art in general. So let's get a nice red color here, and we're gonna use this red like this, and we're gonna do. Do I want to do like a funny Pikachu, or do I want to do a cute Pikachu? I kind of want to do the funny Pikachu with the big mouth like that. Or the Pikachu like that, where it's like looking like in his the surprised Pikachu. I love that, but I think we'll just do like this. This is cute, right? That's cute. I like that. All right, cool. So then I'm going to darken the tips of his ears, because obviously his ears are darker on the top. They have the black pieces on the top there. I'm just going to do like that. I think that's nice. All right, cool. And of course he needs his famous tail as well, but we don't have too much room for the tail actually. So I'm going to actually get rid of a couple of these pixels over here and kind of transfer the space over. So we have one more pixel over there to make the tail. For the tail, we got to do that classic zigzag tail, you know what I mean? So we do like this, and then have it come down like that. Yeah. Kind of a small tail for Pikachu, but listen, we're chilling. All right, let me grab this yellow color, and then we'll do like this, and then on this last piece right here, the little tip piece, we'll go ahead and actually I think I want to do something like this, make it skinnier down there. Yeah, better. All right, cool. And then this little last piece right here, we're gonna make this like a darker brown, because of course Pikachu has that little piece that connects. That is brown. All right, cool. There you go. Now I don't think I like the mouth, so we're just gonna get rid of the mouth. We're gonna do no mouths. I don't know if I like the way his arms are, so we might actually go ahead and redo his arms, at least this one over here. So maybe his arm's gonna poke out the side like this, maybe. and then it'll be like he's like poking his hands out, like raise it up one, I guess, like this. Yeah, wait, perfect, and then we'll just put that out there and that out, and then I'll have to make it look like this arm is a little bit darker, so let's go ahead and grab a little bit of shading here, and then we'll just like this, a little too orangish. I don't know. That looks weird. I wanted his arms to be like different than him just like holding them on the inside of his body like that, but it does look cute. And like I said, we do have some limitations, obviously. So maybe can I get away with doing this? Oh, that's kind of cute. I like that. That's nice. I enjoy that. All right, let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm also going to go ahead and lightly shade this piece down here, all this bottom area, so that it looks like he's a little bit more roundish. And then also these pieces up here for his tail, that piece as well. So there we go. I don't know if I like the maybe just on like the tip areas of his arms, like those pieces right there that kind of connect, and then maybe this is good. Yeah, maybe this is good. So like it kind of fades. Oh yeah, that's better. I like that. That's nice. Okay, that's cool. I can get with that. All right, cool, sweet. So there we go. Those are Pikachu's arms. That looks much better. All right, I like that. He's still kind of like brick-like, and I don't. I know what I'll do. Let's just pull this piece of his head out, like that, and then we'll extend this right there. Pull that out. That'll go down. Does that look cute or does it look weird? Might look kind of weird. No, that's cute. I like that. That's nice. Maybe I'll have it go back in for his ear, though, to be honest with you. Like that. Oh, that kind of works. Looks like a little head, I suppose. And then maybe we'll pull this out, and then do it look like it better like that? I like that. Yeah, I like that, definitely, for sure. All right, cool. That looks good. I like that. That's adorable. There you go. That's Pikachu right there. 100%. All right, that's that. I think this is. I don't want to go overboard because I think that's all that we really need. I don't think we really need anything else for this Pikachu character to be finished. I think that looks good. Maybe I want to like. So it looks a little bit more round. There we go. Maybe this piece as well. Oh yeah, that was it. All right, there's pixel art Pikachu, 16 by 16. There we go. I like that. Adorable. So I'm gonna try and keep the style consistent with the dot eyes, the very small eyes, and we'll do like that. The very small eyes, the kind of blocky-ish style. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you have a Pikachu, wow. If you have a Pokemon that you want me to pixel art, is what I was trying to say, then let me know down below, and I'll do them, because I definitely want to do more pixel art, and this is a great idea to do it because there's hundreds of thousands of Pokemon. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye bye.